Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Photoshop on your Linux computer. This is going to be a quick video. Let me demonstrate that Photoshop CC is working. So this is a Photoshop Linux edition. You can get it from GitHub. The thing is, certain things might be a bit unstable. Sometimes it crashes and some functionalities might not work. But for what I use this Photoshop for, mainly just making thumbnails, it works just fine. You might encounter some fonts I'm missing, and for example, I was making a thumbnail from a YouTube video, but then I decided to use a different thumbnail. Regardless, you can see that you can play around with all these tools. Certain animations, certain things might not work, but overall it is somewhat usable. For those who just switch to Linux and want to use Photoshop because that's what they are used to, like me, you can use this tool in GitHub. Basically, I'm gonna leave this link in the description. Go to this website, go to GitHub, and to actually install this and run, you might want to install Wine, because this program runs through Wine, and you need to have Wine installed. If you don't have Wine installed, you can either do it through terminal, or you can just go to Add and Remove Software, type Wine, and get this installed. After that, you can install Wine Tricks. This is gonna allow Photoshop to run, because this is not a Linux software. It has to run through a compatibility layer. So get that installed. After you get it done, simply clone this GitHub page. This command is going to clone it to your home directory. So copy this here, press enter. After that, this will navigate to the Photoshop folder that it copied from GitHub. Type this command. This is gonna make setup sh executable. This command right here is gonna make it executable, and this is gonna start the setup process. So you paste it here one by one, press enter, and it's gonna start installing. So one thing you have to keep in mind is that this is again running through compatibility layer, so don't expect it to run as a native software. Well, keep an eye on the installation, because sometimes it's going to ask you to enter yes, maybe your password. And when you are installing, do not change the directory where the program is going to be installed. Keep it as a default. Just press enter, and it's going to install Photoshop. If you want to learn a little bit more about the installation process and how it works, visit this website and read a little bit more. You can find more information on the GitHub page. So that's basically it. Oh, before I hang up, I'm gonna show you there's another thing. I also have GIMP installed on my computer. Wait, I don't. Okay, so there is a tool for GIMP. I think it's called Photo something. Wait, let me see if I can find it here. Wow, it's really slow. Yeah, I don't remember, but I'm gonna make another video on GIMP. You can customize GIMP to make it look like Photoshop, including all the shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts, and the tool layouts, like the these layers layout. It's gonna be similar to Photoshop. I'll make another video on GIMP and how to make GIMP look like Photoshop and act like Photoshop. So stay subscribed.